Hello little artists, I'm Mariana Olson and today we're drawing President Abraham Lincoln. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Okay little artists, we are gonna start this picture in the center of the paper, and the first thing I'm gonna do is the nose with a backwards letter C. And it's gonna look like this. And then we're gonna do the eyes. It's gonna be two oval shapes next to the nose. So the first one goes here, it's an oval shape, and the second one goes in front of the nose right here. Now I'm gonna color this with black, and you can leave a little bit of a space on the top with no color, so it's the shine of the eye. Next, we're gonna do the eyebrows, and it's gonna be two little oval shapes on top of the eyes. And these ones also, we're gonna color it with black. The smile this time will be really flat, and we're gonna do a line that go across the eyes. And at the end of this line, we're gonna do a little cross line like this. The next thing we're gonna do is his face. And to start the face, I'm gonna go here with a finger space, so a little bit more than a finger, and we're gonna do his ear. And this ear we're gonna do with a letter C. Next, I'm gonna do a curve. They go out here, it's a little curve, kind of like a backwards letter C. And let's do one more to the top. In the other side, we're also gonna leave a space, and we're gonna do a line next to his eye. They go down. And now we're gonna do one more that goes down and around his mouth. And let's join these two lines with a curve that goes around. Next, we're gonna do a line that go across the eyes. So let's join these two lines first. And the line is gonna go over the eyebrows. And if this line doesn't touch, you just can connect it here. And now we're gonna do one more line going up here on top of the letter C. And the other one is just gonna go from this corner to the line. In this space I have here, I'm gonna do another curve for the other ear. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna extend this line passing the ear. So this line is gonna go to the left. I'm gonna pass the ear and stop right there. And this line also goes out and stop right there. Just see, it's like a finger space in each side of the ears. That's how long this line goes. Now we're gonna do a curved line that goes from this line and it connects to the hair. And from this line, I'm gonna do it differently. This line is gonna go a U shape around it, and it's gonna look like this. It's kind of like a long letter U that goes around this one. At the end, we're gonna color this with black, and it will look better. Now let's do the same thing here. I'm gonna go up the line and go around and stop right there. Now we're gonna do the hat, and this hat is very big. He used a top hat, and I wanna follow here to the top. So we're gonna do a line that goes to the top, and in this side a line that goes to the top. Okay, and this is how big my hat is, and I want to join them with a curved line on the top. Let's finish the face, and we're gonna do his beard. We're gonna start from this corner of the ear going down, doing a letter U, and I want to continue doing these letter U's until I reach to the other side. And these letter U's can be different sizes. One can be bigger than the other one, and that's okay. Now we're gonna continue with the body, and underneath his nose and his chin, we're gonna do here a triangle. Now for the arms, I'm gonna do one line down, and this side we're gonna do a curved line, so it's gonna look like this. And now let's do two more lines. So I'm gonna go in and down. And now in the middle, I want to leave a space here, and I'm going to do a line that goes down. And I want to also leave a space here and do a line that goes down. And now we can join these two together and join this arm here and this arm here. So his body is gonna be really small compared to his head. You see, it's a cartoon character, so the head is always bigger than the body. Now let's build the hands. So the first thing we're gonna do, our little rectangle outside of his arms for the sleeves. And now for the fingers, I'm gonna do a U shape right next to this one. And this U shape connects to here. So that's the thumb. And next to this thumb, we're gonna do 1, 2, and 3 curves. And I'm gonna close it right here, down here. You can also close 1 and 2, and that's his fingers. And the last step will be closed right here. Now for the other hand, he's gonna be holding a paper. So I'm gonna do 1 and 1, little one. And now we're gonna do a letter U, and make sure that you leave a space here to do an upside down letter U that is gonna connect with this finger. So you should have a space in between these two fingers. Now I'm gonna do a line up and another one, and we join them with a curve. Now in this space we leave between the fingers, I'm gonna imagine this line goes in behind and get out here. This one also get out here. And now we're gonna do an oval shape at the end. Inside this oval shape, we're gonna do a spiral line with the tip of the marker. Now let's do his legs, and we are going to start with the left side. So I'm gonna go down, then I leave a space and I go down. And you should have still a little bit of a space here. And we're gonna do a cross line that go to the other side, like this. Now this line, we're gonna pretend that goes in behind this leg and goes out here. We leave a space and goes out here. And now we join them. To finish this leg, we're gonna do an oval shape, and it's gonna look like this. It's gonna be an oval shape that goes around and close. Now we're gonna do a half a circle of half an oval shape right here. And the last thing will be to put a line down here. So it's gonna look like the bottom of the shoe. And now you can join this line if you still have room here. For the other shoe, I wanna do this shoe different. This one is gonna be kind of like a square shape here without closing it. And now we're gonna do a U shape that goes around it. The very last thing here, we're gonna do an oval shape underneath his beard. And we're gonna do 2 U shapes just to put like a bow. It's 1 and 2. And you can put here a little dot for a button. And there, that's it. We finished this cartoon character of President Abraham Lincoln. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how my picture turned out. I really like the pictures that are cartoon characters because they look so cute with the big head and the small body. This one was really easy coloring, a lot of black and just some gray here for the shoes and the paper. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time.